All right, today we're going to take a quick look at this pump. This is a sump pump designed to pump out water from like a basement or maybe even from a creek to water your garden. The company did send it over and compensate me to make this video. So let's go ahead and take a look at what comes in the box and I'll show you how it works. First of all, you do get the pump. It's got a nice waterproof cable. So this is fully submersible, or power cord, I should say. It's fully submersible as well. And then it also comes with these three different attachments. The one attachment is just kind of a right angle attachment, which will just kind of give you uh, control of which way the hose will come out. Then that is the regular garden hose. And this is a little bit of a custom attachment. You can see I chopped off the top. It kind of had like a little extension part there. And then I chopped that off to see if it would fit a bigger hose that I had. And that is what comes in the box. And it's pretty simple to put together. Now let's take this thing and see what it does. So first of all, I got it in this tub of water. And one thing I didn't notice is there is a little bit of a kink in the hose that I didn't know. So I'm going to plug it up here. You can see it bubble. Right there, you can kind of see that kink in the hose right there. And it kind of slowed it down a little bit, but it was still moving pretty fast. So yeah, you can see that good pinch in the hose. And I didn't notice it. It's cold out when I was making this video. But it's still, yeah, it's still pumping pretty quick. And you can see that water level dropping fairly fast. So it's just pumping out to the street there. And one thing about it is this garden hose has a little bit deeper of a connection on it, which worked. But the gray garden hose that's laying there doesn't, and it didn't work. So I'm actually going to fast forward just a little bit as this thing is pumping and show you the other gray hose. So this style of attachment wasn't deep enough or something. It did not work. It would not attach to this, but the regular standard, cheaper garden hose did. And once again, there's a pinch in there, but that's kind of what the other end looks like, just to give you an example. So I'm going to fast forward this a little bit and it just pumps. And I actually took the kink out of the water hose and then it started moving quite a bit faster here. And then it goes all the way down. Now I did leave just about this much water in there. So obviously if I were, pumping out a basement or something, I would be pushing water to it and somehow, trying to pile it up. I think that's pretty standard for any of these types of pumps. Once they get to a certain level, it doesn't pump anymore. I have another pump that does the same exact thing, and I have to push water into it and kind of corral the water around it. But overall, I'm pretty impressed with it. So if you're looking for a sup pump that'll do over 3,400 gallons per hour, this might be the one for you. Hope this video helps.